Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let me show you how you can log in with Facebook and Google on Pokemon Unite. First, install Pokemon Unite on your device. Then after installing, open it. Then wait for it to load all the data. After all the data are installed, click Next over here. Then pick your language and click OK once done. Next, read the terms of use and privacy notice. You have to open each file to check the circles right here. After doing that, click on Next and proceed to input your date of birth. Then click Next, then OK. Now you can log in using your Apple ID, Nintendo account, Facebook, and other options. In our case, let's only focus on Facebook and Google. So click on Facebook over here. Click Continue on the prompt. Then click Open over here. Just make sure that you have your Facebook app and your login and FB. So this process would be smooth. Then here, click Continue as well. You can do the same steps if you want to log in through your Gmail. And there you have it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.